What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to switch it up a little bit. I was driving down the road and yeah, this little gem right here caught my eye. So I'm going to break out the ultralight. I'm going to throw around the Gulp minnow. Of course, I'm going to see if I can get anything to bite. Hopefully y'all are living the best life, because I sure am. You know, I will throw you guys on the chesty, and hopefully we can pull us in a couple fish today. I got the giveaway a winner announced later in the video as well, so look around for that. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment what you want to see down below, and let's get on the camera. I may have to go swim bait. I was hoping to get some topwater bites. Ooh, big bite right there. Holy crap, big bite. And it doesn't come back quick, right? Oh, we got a fish. What do we got? Oh, it feels like he's got a little umph to in there. Oh, little sunfish. Yes. Beautiful little sunfish. This is a beautiful little sunfish. First fish of the day for me. I've only got about 40 minutes to get out here and fish. I know the lighting isn't the best. I'm limited on time, but let's let this little guy go. And away he goes. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. It's not always about the size of the fish you catch, man. As long as you get out there and catch them. Oh, get out there and catch some. Look at this little feisty guy. Oh, I love the action, man. Yeah, looks like another one here. Maybe a little pumpkin seed. That's what I'm assuming. Pretty little fish. Fish number 2 of the day for me. If y'all like getting outside and just catching some fresh air, especially with these gas prices, just walk a creek. It'll save you money. Look at that, I'm already 2 fish deep. Oh, that's a nice one. What is that? Well, it's not nice, it just feels aggressive. These little creek fish, feisty. Looks like I found the little pumpkin seed spot here. Well, those little fins pretty cool right there. Oh, not bad. Another nice little, tiny little dude. This swim bait seems to be the move. I can't get him off of it. They won't let it go. There we go. Fine. Alright, let's push up the creek a little bit, see if we can find some bass. Wonder if we can flip it right up in there. Look at that. Called it. That's why I like systems like this, because you can literally almost pinpoint where you'll think there'll be structure, coverage. This one has a couple growths on him there. That's weird. Didn't seem to be the healthiest one. He kind of jumped out of my hand. But it is what it is. Let's go a little bit more finesse, and we'll switch to a straight flick tail cream little swim bait. And this is just a twitching tail. A little bit lighter, a little more finessey. There we go. got us a fish. All right. So we need to finesse it a little more. Oh, he's super pale. Yeah, he's really, really pale. Really pale little bluegill. Oh, we had another one there. Assuming that was a bluegill. But, oh, he just swam out after it. That was a little bass. Don't know what this is. Oh, acrobatic bluegill. Another little chunky belly one. I mean, they are engulfing it when they eat it. It's a little bluegill, nothing special. Looking for a little bass that's hanging out in here. Oh, that was a bite. Off rip, he tried to run with it. Oh my God. Is that not? Look at the PB fish right there, yo. Beautiful little fish. And that's why I like fishing ultralight, because you can literally catch a 3-pound bass on these same baits, and then you come out here and you catch a 1/10 of an ounce bluegill. This little hole right here looks saucy. I feel like I could pull a bass out of this. We got a fish. It is our first bass. Yes, mission accomplished. Oh, thank God. I set out to catch one bass today on my creek mission. I just needed me a little pond. Oh my God, let it go. I can't get it to pop out. There we go. Little pond pickle. Look at that guy. Beautiful fish. Epic release. There he goes. I love it. Oh, my day has been accomplished. All right. I now had a successful day. Caught me a nice little creek bass, some sunfish. Living the best life, I'm telling you what. Living the best life. Oh, and he came back for it. That's awesome. He just hit it. Oh, and he popped off. No. Oh, dude, that was at least a half-pound bass. It's not a, oh, he hit it again. It's not a big fish, by any means, but for a creek of this size, that was a nice little. It's all right, we're gonna find another one. Alrighty, guys, the moment everyone's been waiting for. I've got the names of the qualifying people here on the spin wheel, so I'm going to go ahead and spin it and see who wins the go-to giveaway. Justin, all right. I'll go ahead and get with you, get your information, and you won the go-to giveaway box, so congratulations, man. My GoPro got hot and shut off on me, but I caught the cutest little dude ever. Look at that. Beautiful little bass. Beautiful. Horrible angle, I know, sorry. I'm dealing with a lot right now. I think the camera got too hot and shut off, which sucks because that was a fun little fight. Wonder if there's any more up around there. Hit it immediately. Oh, he dropped it. Something came back for it. They are in this hole. And it smells like barbecue. Oh, that smells delicious. Oh, he hit it hard. Did I get him? Yes. Little sunfish. Okay then. I see you out there mixing in with the big bass. Getting your toes wet to be a big fish one day. Okay. I ain't hating. I ain't hating. Represent. Oh, I got that. What is it? He hit that aggressively. Little sunfish. Thick little sunfish. Alright. They're up in here getting their thing popping. Bunch of different species. What is that? 3, 4 species we got? We got the pumpkin seed, the green sunfish. We caught a smallmouth, and we caught two little largemouth. 4 species. 4 to 5 minutes. Oh, that was a bite. Didn't know. Okay. 4 species, 45 minutes. Oh, they're up there. Yeah, they are up there. They are just hitting. Oh, that's a little bit more along my size right there. What's up, buddy? That's a spotted bass. 5 species. We knocked out 5 species of the day. 45 minutes. Cute little dude. Beautiful fish. I love fishing. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, yeah. That's it. And when these creeks are fire, they're fire. Like when they're hitting, they are hitting. Alright guys, the camera shut off again. It's getting too hot. It's another bass, biggest of the day. Definitely not a pond pickle. It's nothing huge, but it's a nice one, you know. Something good to get out and catch when you're just sitting in the house. So think on that. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. Make sure to like, subscribe. Congratulations down there for winning. Just send me the information and I'll make sure to get everything shipped out to you. Until then, y'all, remember, make sure to keep it real, keep it safe, and as always, get out there, catch you a pond pickle or two. Have fun. Peace.